You searched how to buy shares of Mon Courtier Energie SAS. The company is an energy services firm listed on Euronext under the ticker ALMCE.PA. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ALMCE.PA to find the listing. Make sure you select the Euronext entry for Mon Courtier Energie SAS. On the asset page, check the company summary and market information for Mon Courtier Energie and review the price chart. Confirm this is the correct ALMCE.PA stock before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you wish to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.